Hey everybody, Steve here. So I'm going to show you how to fish a wire through the wall. So basically what I'm doing is I am going to run electrical wire from this outlet. I'm going to come up the wall to this outlet. I already got the hole cut, and I'm going to fish the wall, and I'm going to install this box right here in the opening. After I get the wire fished up, it has these little tabs on it, so when you tighten the screws, these tabs come up and they tighten against the wall and hold the block. I'm sorry, these tabs come up and hold it against the wall once you tighten the screws. So I'm going to fish the wire through. I'll show you that, how I do that, if I can. So I got my fish tape. We call it a fish tape. It's basically a steel hard wire. I done poked a hole in the inside of this one already, and my power is turned off. So I'm going to come up in this hole here, and I'm going to fish the tape up to my opening. That's the plan anyway. It's right there. Alright. There you go. So I got it fished up through there, got it coming out the other end. So I'm going to take my electrical wire and I'm going to tape it fast to this, and then I'm going to pull it back down through. I got to go get some electrical tape. I'll be right back. Couldn't find my electrical tape, but I'm going to use this. This will work just as good. Alright, there you have it. It's through the wall, out the other end. Gotta untape it, make my wire connections, and put in my new thing. I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Alright, there you go. So I wired it together down here and put a full face plate on there because we're putting in a cabinet here. I don't need it there. And I moved it up the wall to here. I think it'll work alright. So I just need to strip it back and put my outlet in it. Okay, so I got my curls on these on the ground for hooking into the outlet, and I just thought I'd take the minute to show you the easiest way to put that nice little turn on there. So you take your cutters, and you've got two holes. You see this hole here and this hole here. So you want to put the turn on it. This one I want to I'm going to want to go down, so I'm going to stick it in. I want to stick it in. You don't want to do it like this and then turn down. You actually want to put it in this one here, and then you do your turning down. Oops, sorry about that. And then you just do your little turn down. And there you go. You get your turn on there. The hook on around your screw. Now there's other ways to hook on. Some people just cut a little bit off and then stick them in the back, which is okay. I mean, it works pretty decent, but I'm just gonna do it the old screw way because that's what I'm accustomed to. All right, let me get that outlet in there. Alright, it is installed. Just got to put the faceplate on, but I'm going to wait for this mud to dry. I put some mud over here. I'm going to wait for this mud right that I filled that gap in. I'm going to let it dry, and then the faceplate can go on, and that's right there. And fairly easy. Didn't take long. Now I'm going to go lay down, take a nap. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope you have a great weekend. Alright, so I'm done. I just come back here to tell Val it's done, and just need her to come up there and clean up the mess for me.
I'll get right on that.
I knew that would be her response. I just wanted you all to see it. Alright, have a great weekend.